The Govee H5074 Smart Thermometer monitors temperature and humidity with accurate readings. Track conditions easily through the Govee Home App. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Govee H5074 Thermometer, a AAA Batteries, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Product overview. How to pair. To set up the thermometer, open the Govee Home app, tap the plus icon, and select the Bluetooth option to find nearby devices. Once connected, you can name the device and adjust settings like temperature and humidity alerts, calibration, and Fahrenheit or Celsius units. The app displays real-time temperature and humidity readings, along with historical data that can be viewed by day, week, month, or year. You can also export recorded data for further analysis. Smart features? It provides accurate live temperature and humidity readings to help you monitor indoor conditions. View current environmental data easily through the device display or the Govee Home app. Connect it to the Govee Home app via Bluetooth to monitor temperature and humidity from your smartphone. The app allows easy access to settings, alerts, and historical data tracking anytime. Set personalized temperature and humidity limits to receive notifications when conditions change. Helps you maintain a comfortable and controlled environment by tracking unwanted fluctuations. The store's temperature and humidity records allow you to review past environmental changes. View data trends by hour, day, week, month, or year for better monitoring and analysis. This allows you to export recorded temperature and humidity data for detailed review and analysis. It also supports calibration adjustments to improve measurement accuracy based on your reference device. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Govee H5074 thermometer. See you in the next one.